Experiment number 6, measurement of power and power factor. So in this experiment, we will be measuring and comparing the current, power and power factor of incandescent lamp, long fluorescent lamp, compact fluorescent lamp and LED lamp. Power factor, it is the ratio of working power to apparent power, and it ranges from 0 to 1. When power factor is 1, it means all energy supplied by the source is consumed by the load. And reactive power, it is a means of explaining how the current seen in a reactive load behaves relative to the applied AC voltage. We will be connecting the circuit as shown in this circuit diagram. This is the setup: wattmeter, ammeter and voltmeter connected as shown in the circuit diagram, and incandescent lamp, it is fixed in the batten holder. So first we note down the wattmeter reading. It is 49 watt. Ammeter reading is 0.196 amp. Voltmeter reading is 235. So here we get the power factor as 1 and reactive power as 0. Next we remove the incandescent lamp and connect a long fluorescent lamp. So here the wattmeter reading is 48 watts, ammeter reading is 0.324 amps, that is after multiplying by 2 and converting to amps. Voltmeter reading is 235. So we get the power factor here as 0.630 and reactive power is 59.12. Similarly, next we note down the readings by connecting a CFL, and we get these readings. That is, wattmeter reading is 20 watts, ammeter reading is 0.120 amps and voltmeter reading is 237 volt. So we get power factor as 0.703 and reactive power as 20.2. So now we connect a LED lamp, and we notice that wattmeter reading is 25 watts, ammeter reading is 0.136 amps and voltmeter reading is 239 volt. So we get the power factor as 0.769 and reactive power is 20.7. So we notice that the power factor of incandescent lamp is 1, which is considered to be as a good power factor, and the power factor of LFL is 0.63, which is considered as bad power factor. So an efficient power factor will decrease the consumer's utility bill, whereas an inefficient power factor will increase the consumer's utility bill. Thank you.